Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to enhance your audio recording quality on Honor 200 Pro. You can record audio in high quality enhanced by AI using an app called Dolby On. Let's go to Play Store and download this app. Search for it and press on install. Now it will begin downloading, and after a short while you will be able to click on open. Now let's press on skip and you can log in, but I'm gonna click on not now, and you can help them improve. Let's press on sure. And now you can capture your audio recording and it will be enhanced with AI. Let's do it. Let's give a permission to record. Hello, this is a test recording 1, 2, 3, 4 audio enhancement via Dolby On. And now wait a moment for it to get enhanced, and let's play the track. 1, 2, 3, 4 audio enhancement via Dolby On. And you can disable or enable Dolby enhancement to hear the difference. Let's disable it and enable it in the middle of playing the audio to hear the difference. Hello, this is a test recording 1, 2, 3, 4 audio enhancement via Dolby On. And that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.